All right, guys. You are welcome to Dice Media TV, a YouTube channel that gives you news across the globe and also teaches you how to earn money online, most often on cryptocurrency through airdrops and other investment platforms in cryptocurrency. All right. Kindly subscribe to the channel and also click the like button. Thank you very much. So I'll be leaving the referral link in the description box. Those on YouTube, I'll be leaving it in the description box. So when you tap on the description box, it will redirect you to Telegram bot like this. So what you have to do next is to go to start. All right. It takes time for it to start. So this is how it is. So after that, they will ask you to go to, or you have to join our channel. So the first one, we are going to join this one. By this one, we are going to solve the captcha. So you go to start, then you enter the captcha code that you will be seeing. So HFB. So HFB QPH. All right. So it says, hi, I am friendly. So sorry, you have to quit it, then go to the next one, then go to start and also enter the captcha code ZMCE. So you solve this one too, then you leave it, you go back, then you join the rest. All right, you go back. So you have to join all these Telegram bots. So join, then you join this one too. You join, and you join this one too. All right, so the next thing that you have to do is go to the payment channel, then you join. All right, so you go back, then you come to the join button here. They will ask you to start and solve the, just have to go to done, go to done again. All right, so you'll be seeing that it will pop up like this. So what you have to do is to go to the bonus. When you go to bonus, you'll be claiming a daily of 125 Go chain. So the next thing that you have to do is to set in your wallet account, the one that you'll be using to receive it. So you'll be going back to Trust Wallet. You'll be going back to Trust Wallet. So all right, so what you have to do is go to this search button, sorry, the symbol on top here. You search for the Go chain. So there's the Go chain. So you have to take it to Brew. Then you go back, you go and tap on it. Then you go to what? Receive. Then you copy. Then you go to your Telegram bot, you go to set wallet. then you paste in the address, then you submit. Alright, so we are done with the wallet setup. So you go back. Then so what you have to do next to gain more GoChain to withdraw is you have to go to referrals. So it says per referral is 250 Go. Per referral is 250 Go. So let's check the withdrawal and see. When you go to withdraw, it says you have to have at least 12,500 GoChain in your wallet or in your balance to withdraw. So you have to keep referring. So I think you have to get 50 referrals before you can withdraw the minimum GoChain pieces or amount. So thank you very much for being with us. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also click on the notification bell so that anytime we send in any airdrop, you'll be the first person to enjoy. Also, you can leave your comment. If you don't understand anything, you can leave a comment at the comment box. Lastly, please do your own research before joining any airdrop. Also, keep in mind that airdrops are 100% free. Do not pay any fee or any penny for any airdrop. Lastly, keep in mind that not every airdrop will succeed. Thank you. See you in another video. Bye.